Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Kennel Club account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see. And on the search bar over here, click there and type in the kennelclub.org.uk and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for the Kennel Club login like this. Both ways you will end up on the same page. As you can see, the first result of the Google result, and we are both on the same page. Now to log into our Kennel Club, let's agree the cookies. And now after landing on the home page of the Kennel Club, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click over here on the login, and after that you will be required to enter your email address over here and password over here, and click on the sign in button to log into your account. And if you have not yet created for an account with Kennel Club, click on the create an account over here, and you will be taken to the sign up procedure of Kennel Club. There you will be able to sign up for Kennel Club. And there guys, this is how you log into your Kennel Club account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.